Hi, I'm Gary Fabian with Coldwell Banker Realty, and today I'm here once again with Sonya Pitt from Premier Nationwide Lending. And today we're going to talk about the do's and don'ts of what you should do and what you should not do after you've been pre-approved for a loan. So Sonya, can you help us out?
Absolutely. This is a huge and important question. When you come in and get pre-approved, we have looked at your credit and we have looked at your assets. So it's very important that while you're shopping for a home and when you go under contract, that none of that changes. Some don'ts is do not go out and buy a car. Do not go out and buy thousands of dollars worth of furniture, and do not open new credit accounts. We always tell people don't pay off any credit accounts. You can pay them down, just don't pay them off completely. But we also don't want to mess with your assets that we have calculated that you have. It's real important as well not to quit your job. I know that sounds crazy, but it has happened. 25 years of doing this, I've seen, I think, everything, but sometimes I am surprised by what happens. Do not quit your job. Do not change job like type. So don't go from waiting tables to driving a crane. So you have to stay in the same line of work. What I would tell you is always talk to your lender before making any major changes. We have a joke around here that we always say, don't even buy a stick of gum unless we talk about it. So the biggest thing is not changing your financial status and your job status while in the process of purchasing a home. You don't want to affect your ability to purchase.
Awesome. And how long is that? It's going to seem like forever for people when they can't buy this or do that. How long is that typically going to
last? From the time you get pre-approved to the time we close, which once you go under contract, we're usually 30 days or less. The day after closing and you sign your documents, we don't keep track of what you do after that point. Obviously you need to be able to afford to make your house payment, so don't go crazy with anything. But typically 30 to 45 days from beginning to end, depending on how long it takes you to find a home.
But it's still okay to occasionally go out to eat as long as you don't put it on a credit card.
Correct. Don't do any major purchases.
Gotcha.
Yes. Okay. You can buy groceries and stuff like that.
Of course, absolutely.
Just
all
nothing, right. Not $7,000 worth of appliances the night before closing, because it will pop up and we will find out.
And that closing may not happen.
That closing may not happen. That's correct.
Well, that's great advice, Sonya. Thank you so much. If you would like to have some more information about mortgage lending, you can reach Sonya at?
You can email me at sonya@pnlending.com or visit my website, sonyapitt.com.
And of course, as always, I'm Gary Fabian. You can reach me for any real estate needs you may have at 843-209-2801. See you next time.
Bye, guys.